Every mother wants her girl's child's hair to grow faster, healthier, longer and thicker. In today's video, I share with you the best hair masks for faster, silky and shiny hair growth. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If today is the first time you are stopping by, thank you. Consider it by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for the love and support. Let's get into the video. Here I am using bananas, 5 bananas for this recipe because I'm using for my 2 girls. So banana has a lot of benefit on the hair. One, it enhances shine. Because of the vitamins and the minerals in banana, such as vitamin A and biotin, contributing to the natural shine of the hair, making hair appear more vibrant and lively. So for stronger hair, the nutrients in banana, including potassium, strengthen hair strands, reducing breakage and improving overall hair health. So here I blend the banana and I'm going to strain this banana with a cheesecloth. Why am I straining? Because I don't want the black seeds on the hair. Okay, we don't want it on the hair, so we have to strain and then we remove them out of the hair. So as you can see in the cheesecloth, that black things we don't want in the hair. So we set this aside, and the second product is my DIY mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is also good for the hair because of the egg yolk in it. It improves hair texture. It also prevents excessive sun damage, promote hair growth, treat dandruff, also deep conditions the hair. So I add the blended banana to the mayonnaise, and then this is the consistency I have. So to finish with all, I add my honey. Honey also has emollient and humectant property that add moisture to the hair follicles. This naturally smooths the hair shaft and restores shine to frizzy, dry and dull hair. The last one I'm going in for is my DIY hair growth oil. It's also good in this process, okay? Okay, so here I am dividing it into 2 because I don't want to waste the product. I'm using it on 2 girls, and this is my girl. I have my spray bottle, and I have my product, and I have my big tooth comb. So I first spray the hair. You know, I have already washed the hair with a shampoo because the first one I did with a dirty hair, and then someone commented that you can also wash the hair with a shampoo and then condition. So this one I tried that procedure too. It's time consuming, okay? And also you wash the hair and you apply it on it, and they'll say, "Mommy, are you going to wash my hair again?" So it's something like that, but I tried it and it's so good. So here I am applying the products or the marks on the hair, paying attention to the scalp and also to the ends, making sure every strand has the marks. Okay, so you soak it well before you use your big comb to comb through. Okay, so after that I then braid it into a twist and then I put it there. Continue the process. Please, mothers, when you are treating the natural hair, especially our type of hair, it's so difficult for some of us mothers. When they hold the hair, the way they touch the hair, it causes pain to the kids' hair and also cause more breakage to the hair. That's why most of us we don't regain the length that we want on our hair. Please be patient. When you are touching the hair, be patient, be gentle. Use your hands first. This one we don't need comb. we need our hands to detangle the hair and bring out every knot. So when you soak it with the max, then you go ahead and comb it, combing from the ends to the root. Okay, you see, it will cost a little. That's the weaker ones will come, but not to the point that you comb and everything is falling out. Okay, so we are applying and we are almost done with it. So after this, we cover it with a plastic bag or a plastic hair cap. So I'm still doing the process. Please be gentle from the ends to the base, gentle, so you don't pull on the shaft, you don't pull on the follicles, to regain the length that we said we want on our child's hair. Okay, and then after that, we wait for like 40 to 45 minutes depending on your schedules, and then we wash it out. So here we are going to wash with a lukewarm water. I'm using a lukewarm water to wash the hair, okay, because it's so cold. So you see, when I did it that way, washing with the shampoo before the deep conditioning, I saw that after I washed the deep conditioning from the hair, it was so clean from dirt and the hair was so shining. And I said, okay, then I think I'll go in for this one, because I really love the end. Yes, you see the hair so shining and so curly, so nice, and as I'm touching, it's very soft to touch too. Some people will say our natural hair is so hard to care for, but when you use the right things for it, you see that it's so soft, it was so silky nice, and it's so shining, as you can see from the video, and I really love it. And please make sure you wash all the products out well with water. Do it well. And this is the end result I made for hair. If you want to know how I did it, watch the next video. Bye.